Want to know how to send help and feedbacks in Dola AI? So if you are having problems with interfaces and if you need help in order to improve its interface and the system, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can get help easily in Dola AI. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, you can just simply open up dola.com on your web browser. So once I've opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're on this interface, on the top right side you should be seeing your profile right here. Just press like that, and now once you've filled your profile, here you should be seeing various options right here, and on the top you should be seeing settings. So you can just simply select settings. So now once you have filled the settings, here you should be seeing various options that you can choose from, and right below language you should be seeing something known as help and feedback. So you can just simply select that. Now what you can do is you can just simply describe the feedback that you had issued, that you want to issue. So you can just describe it anything that you like, and you can also select upload images in order to upload them, and that's it. This is how you easily send help and feedback in Dola AI. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.